Это был один из лучших наших самолетов с прекрасным, надежным экипажем.
Замечаний по матчасти не было. Проверку проходил последнюю 6 января. Замечаний никаких не было. Самолет был исправен от экипажа ни по прилету в Тегеран, ни перед вылетом никаких замечаний не было.
One of my friends, him, his wife, and his two young girls were killed. His girls were 9 and 14. It's like, how can someone put words to that? It's just terrible.
Our focus today is on the many families who are grieving, and our focus in the days and weeks to come will be on answering the questions that they have and that indeed we all have as to how this happened.